Hey y'all, Chris Jones here. As you know, we launched Listing Cake yesterday. This is a free tool any agent can use to create awesome listing videos. And you can check it out at listingcake.com if you haven't already and play around with it, create videos. I just got back from the gym, but they showed me that the videos are pouring in, and some of the stuff that you guys created is, frankly, it's absolutely friggin' awesome. Like, really excited about some of the different ways that agents are going to be using this tool. I want to share a strategy with you to use video to get leads. In fact, if you use this strategy, I guarantee, personally guarantee, that you will capture 10 plus leads next week. And in fact, I've been using this strategy for a while. This is my own personal CRM. What you're looking at is 80% of these leads were captured using videos just like the one that you can create for free on Listing Cake. And it doesn't cost you anything to use this strategy. I'm not talking about buying Facebook ads or Google ads or paying Zillow or anything like that. You can generate 10 leads next week with this free strategy. But first, I want to ask a favor. Before I share this, I want you guys to share Listing Cake. So send an email to your office, share it on Facebook, share it in a real estate Facebook group. I don't care how you share it, but it would mean a lot to us if you shared this tool. We create free tools about once a month, and of course they're free, but it would mean a lot to us if you took a moment out of your day and told somebody else about it. So let's pump the shares up. If we get it to at least 100, I will share the strategy tomorrow. And no, I'm not bluffing. I won't share it if you guys don't share it. So help us share this, and I'll talk to you tomorrow, hopefully.